why you still doing all those things? I don't wanna brag in my stilo. More like only talking to my pillow.
Alright, hey, this is Hans. It's time for another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got a classic from Taiwan. This is Ramen. Jajangmyeon. Yeah. A little bit spicy, and it's got a neat deal with it that you will see. So what we're gonna do here, we got 2 sachets. We got the paste. We have the soup base. I'm gonna put this in here for 3 minutes. Yeah. There we go. So 3 minutes on that. I'll even let you watch. Think of that. You guys seem to want to watch stuff happen, so there you go. You're watching noodles in a deal there. And it'll get 3 minutes. And then you will see the magic happen. The real magic. So it is September 6th, 2023. By the way, I should also mention this pack expires. It says it's used by January 1st of 24. I've reviewed, no, this will be like 4,780 something. Out of all those, I've never had one with an expiration date, as far as I know, for New Year's Day. So that's kind of neat. And today is the first day of school for the children. They've been there for a while. It's just about 2 p.m. So we'll get them off the bus and they'll probably be like, "How was your day?" I'm guessing my son Miles will say, "It was great. I had lunch and snack." "Yeah, did you do anything else?" "Oh, we had recess." Kind of what I'm expecting. That's fine. Those were my favorite subjects in school. Eating and running around. Nothing wrong with that. And my daughter's gonna be just like blabbing like a meth head. I swear. She's in 1st grade this year. She's got lots of friends and she likes to talk. So that's cool too. I think she's doing it correctly. Sometimes though, man. So we're home. My wife and I are home without kids here. It's really crazy. And we actually went out walking together a little bit. It was super nice, and went and got some juice boxes for the kids for school. The juice boxes we had, one of them busted open, and unbeknownst to us, obviously, and caused a lot of nastiness. It was very nasty. It was moldy. So one of them broke open, but it infected everything else with the lovely odor of mold. So black mold, we figured to get rid of them and get new ones. And now we have mold-free boxes of little individual servings of juice. Children enjoy juice. Okay. So here comes the magic part. You ready for this? We're doing a dead ramen guy. I don't understand. What is this crazy voodoo? You'll see. Cletus, you'll see. I don't know why. I always feel like everybody watching my show is akin to the Simpsons character Cletus the slack-jawed yokel, but I'm sure most of you are nice, upstanding people with a decent decent literacy rate and such. So. Although I could be wrong. So we're going to drain the noodle into here. Thoroughly drain the noodle into there. Wow, which set of music did I pick? That's a little better. It's like I've got 2 sets of music on this phone, and one is the one I will never use. I should just delete it so I don't accidentally use it. Because it's horrible. It's really horrible. It's worse than what I usually use if you don't like what I usually use. Okay. So this sachet magically makes a soup. Oh crap, I don't even have a bowl. I don't have anything. Oh, I gotta remember to do that too. So there you got like this little sipping soup action. So let's put that aside. And then we got this. Here's our jajang noodle. So it's like a fried soybean paste noodle, bit spicy. This one, it's kind of like if you're thinking of mee goreng. You put this stuff in here. And then you stir that up. See? You got a whole different deal. This doesn't really work all that well for a lot of things, but this is like, it's Taiwanese, man. They do some stuff with noodles that you don't see them really do anywhere else. I think I've seen this kind of setup done. Company in Malaysia. Karjen, they did a hot and spicy curry dry noodle with a chive soup. I wonder what those guys are doing. They kind of pissed me off, honestly. They used to use my logo and we had an agreement, contract and all that. And then they decided they didn't want to do that anymore and kept using my logo. Like, hey, jerks. Not saying boycott them, but I don't know. I could say that. I don't know. Would that be a bad thing if I called for a boycott of an instant noodle band? That's kind of outside my scope of things. Generally, I just want to like impart to you if I like something or not. I'm not. People will say like, "Do you like this brand over that brand?" I don't like doing that because it's. I don't know. It's kind of not where I want to be in the spectrum of. I'm a reviewer. I'm not a. You know, I'll talk politics, but that's about as far as I'm going to go in that kind of thing. Oh, wait a second. I got to find the right vessel to transport our noodle. Oh, I can't forget that too. God. It's a day, folks. It's a day. So I want to use this one, I think. This one actually was sent to me from Taiwan. There we go. Got a very cool plate you'll see in a moment. Alright. So before we do anything there, we got that, we got this. And we got, where did I put that? There it is. Now, see, there wouldn't be all this like stuff if you decide to get a membership at the $500 level. I could be talking to you on the show, whoever the heck you are. That would be a lot of money. Boy, we could use that. And how? But anyways, here is the noodle. It's salty. It's got a little spicy hit. It's like soy paste. Very savory. It's good. And then we have the soup, which is very spicy, salty. Salty, kind of like it's not exactly chicken, it's more of a sesame. It's a really, really apt combo. You like take a sip of the soup, eat some noodle. It really works. Those flavor profiles really complement each other really well, and it's really a simple thing. I've said many times on reviews how I view the way that Taiwanese food is. It's like masterful simplicity in a lot of aspects. There's some really, really, really complicated Taiwanese dishes, but I swear the best ones are like Taiwanese dry noodle, where you've just got like a really great noodle and then a little bit of soy, a little bit of other seasoning and stuff like that. It's really, really amazing. But they can do some major voodoo magic over in Taiwan. It's pretty cool. All right. So we are going to add the noodle right here. And it's a lot of it too. These are really cheap. I got what was it, a 5-pack? I believe. And I found it at H Mart. I couldn't pass it up. It's like I've had these before. This looks like slightly new packaging, so that's why I'm reviewing it today. But yeah, it was like $3.99. That's super cheap. We're gonna kind of make the noodle hug the bowl. Oh, look at that, folks. The noodle is hugging the bowl. Oh, look at that. Wow, hey. Yeah, sorry. Put some of this in there. And to kind of do this up a little nicer, a little bit of fresh scallion, a little sesame seed, and some crushed red pepper. Also going to add some scallion. Over here. Indeed, some more seed from the strange and mysterious animal known as the wild sesame. And I've got an egg. And it's going to get used. And it's the last of the nice eggs I've got. I mean, I've got more, but this is the last of the prepared ones. So let's have this egg. I would prefer that it sits up and acts nicely, and it seems to be. And there we are. That's my thoughts on plating and presenting Whaley Mien. So let's get that out of the way. And Rotato, do your stuff. Actually, we should play the next song. So here we are. Alright, as usual, thank you very much for watching the show. Yeah, you should be able to pick this up in the States pretty easily, and of course you can get it in Taiwan. I recommend going there. It's a wonderful place, sure to be enjoyed by all. And yeah, this has been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, really helps me out, and other like-minded instant noodle people for finding the more you like, the more YouTube thinks you kind of like it, and then it'll shove it down the throats of more people, and then we'll get more people, and the more the merrier, and you know, hey, it's good. So, alright, catch you next time. Have a good one. Bye-bye.